Facebook wants to stop being Facebook. The social network will make it easier for users to report hoaxes and false news stories. This comes after claims that Facebook may have influenced the outcome of the recent US election, as the newsfeed algorithm helped misinformation spread, like the story that Pope Francis endorsed President-elect Donald Trump during the campaign. In a blog post, Facebook said that it is rolling out a series of tests to combat such stories. You can now report a hoax on Facebook. Click on the top right-hand corner of a post and choose the "It's a fake news story" reason. Facebook has also started working with third-party fact-checking organisations to identify problematic stories. If you try to share one of these sources, you'll get an alert saying the content is disputed, but you'll still be able to share it if you choose. In a public post on November 12, CEO Mark Zuckerberg disputed claims that Facebook influenced the election and said that, quote, "Of all the content on Facebook, more than 99% of what people see is authentic. Our goal is to show people the content they will find most meaningful, and people want accurate news," end quote. A month later, Facebook's rolled out measures to tackle fake news to its 1.8 billion users. There's more tech news at CNET.com. In San Francisco, I'm Lexi Savides.